You found a weekly problem-solving question 13 hint. So here we go. We know that Emilio is driving down the street. So I'm going to label the street. I'm going to call Sunshine Road just SR and Summer Lane as SL so I can see his trip. I do know that the average speed for the whole trip, I'm going to say is R, is a rate, is 60 kilometers per hour. But I don't know the distance. That's my unknown, but I do know the time because it said 8:30 to 1:30. So you're going to fill in that time. Can't do everything. 60% of the trip, so I'm going to mark it a little bit more than halfway. So I'm going to say this is 60% of the trip. And if I use my pieces to solve for distance right here, then that will be able to be helpful to figure out what 60% of the trip was. So for this section, I know the rate. I could solve for the distance, and I could solve for the time. I know that the rate is 90. Then I have to look into 25% of the remainder. So if I could figure out what the total distance was, and I could figure out what 60% of that total distance was, then I could figure out the total distance of the remainder, and then I could find 25% of that. So that's hint 1. Good luck.